Hello, good morning students. How are you? Okay, let me start the new experiment. Experiment number 11. Our aim is to find the focal length of concave mirror. Concave mirror whose the outer convex side is coated while the inner side is reflecting. Concave mirror is a part of big hollow sphere and the radius of that sphere is called a radius of curvature. And when you place the object on C, that is radius of curvature, image will form on C. So to find the focal length of concave mirror, we have formula UV upon U plus V, where U is an object distance and V is an image distance. So first let me find the rough focal length of this concave mirror. Okay, let me start on experiment. Here we have a concave mirror stand. We have two pins. One is object pin and second is the image pin. And to measure the distance, we have a scale. So first hold the mirror in place here. Okay. First, you can observe the white pin in a mirror. Okay. Slowly move out it, and when the object and image of the white pins on same place, and if there is no parallax between them, arrange like this. Means first this white pin and its image, there is no parallax between them. At this position, object and image are on same place. See, white object pin and its image are on same place. Measure the distance between lens stand and here. It is equal to 40 centimeter. The distance between pin and the mirror is 40 centimeter. Okay. Now let me arrange the distance of object at beyond C between F and C. So let me select two distance 48, 44, 40, 36 and 32 as an object distance. So first let me place the object at 48 centimeter. Now first place the object at 48 centimeter. To measure the distance of this pin from the mirror, it is equal to 48 centimeter. Now here you can observe the white pin in the mirror. You can observe the white pin in mirror. Now arrange the image pin such in a way, the image pin and the image, the parallax between image pin and image should be removed. Here. Now see this side. This is image pin and white image inside the mirror. There is no parallax between them. Image, pin and image. There is no parallax between them. At this time, note down the distance of this image pin from the mirror. And the distance is equal to 34 centimeter. Okay, this is the 34 centimeter. 34 centimeter, note down. Similarly, arrange the. Now, when you place the object on 44 centimeter, again remove the parallax between image and image pin. And if there is no parallax between them, note down the image distance from the mirror. Here you can see image pin and image. There is no parallax between them. And at this time the distance between image pin and mirror is equal to 36.5, and we have already noted for the 40 and 40. When we place the object on 40, image was also on 40. That is the first image reading. Now arrange the 36 centimeter and remove the parallax between image and image pin. When you place the object near the between F and C, image will form beyond C. And here the parallax removed by the image pin at the distance 45 centimeter. Here this black pin is an image and image in mirror. See. And at this time the distance of this image pin is 45 centimeter. Now arrange at 40 centimeter or 32 centimeter object distance. Now place the object at 32 centimeter and image pin such in a way the image and image pin, there should be no parallax between image and image pin. This is image pin and there is image in a mirror and there is no parallax between image and image pin. So note down the distance of this image pin from the mirror and it is equal to 53 centimeter. Okay. There were three positions of the object pin. First, away from C. Then second position on C and third position that is between F and C. And when you place the object on C, it was 40. The distance of image was also on 40. Now select the two difference away from the C, which are the 48 and 44. Between F and C, that means less than 40, we select two distance 36 and 32. Now we have placed the object when on 48 centimeter, the image distance was 34 centimeter. And second, when the object was placed at 44 centimeter, the image was on 36.5 centimeter. And on C, by the single pin, we have measured at 40 centimeter. But now when you place object on 36 centimeter, the image distance was at 45 centimeter. And when the object distance was 32 centimeter, image distance was 53 centimeter. Now the formula is UV upon U plus V. That means product of the U and V dividing by the sum of this U and V. So 40 into 34 dividing by the sum, it is equal to 19.90. The second calculation 44 into 36.5, okay, dividing by the sum, which is equal to 19.95. And here 40 into 40 divided by 80, it will be equal to 20 centimeter. And again the 36 into 45 dividing by the sum of this 36 and 45, it is equal to also 20 centimeter. Now when the distance 32 and 53 product by sum, which is equal to 19.95. The average of this all five focal length is F is equal to 19.96 centimeter is the focal length of the concave mirror. So in this way we can find the focal length by measuring the object distance and image distance, and formula is UV upon U plus V. Also we can find the focal length by the plotting the graph of V versus I and 1 upon V versus 1 upon I. लेकिन वो पार्ट हम ड्यूरिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट के टाइम पर करेंगे। तो फिलहाल ग्राफ के लिए 2 पेज आपको लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ ब्लैंक पेज पर छोड़ देना है। आफ्टर द कैलकुलेशन leave 2 blank pages for the graph, and here we are going to complete this experiment. Students, please note down this reading in your record book and journal too. Thank you very much.